Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the battery life of the Oneplus 7 Pro device, friends. I purchased this OnePlus 7 Pro device I think more than 6 to 7 months ago. So I did not make most of the videos on this, but few of the subscribers I noticed that I am using OnePlus 7 Pro and they want me to know that how is the battery backup if you are using regularly. So how much can you get through a day, whether it's possible to get through a day or not. So in this video I'll be demonstrating, friends, whether it's possible or not. And before starting the video, friends, do check my playlist which I created for each and every mobile phone, even for the live wallpapers and other things. So these are my latest videos which I uploaded, friends, recently. So do not forget to check out my channel, so if you are interested. And let me get started with this test, friends. And I have taken the screenshot in the morning. Let me show you, friends, what screenshot I have taken. So it is a screenshot, friends, where I set to the resolution to 1080 and refresh rate to 90 Hz, as you can see. So 1080 resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate, friends, and 100%, as you can see clearly in the morning 6:36 a.m. friends, and with a single SIM, and with a I think 40% of the time I have connected to the 4G network, and remaining 60% of the time I have connected to the Wi-Fi network, friends. Even the Bluetooth I have connected, I think 1 hour of Bluetooth, so which I listened to the YouTube music during that time. I did not do any voice calls using Bluetooth, but definitely I did a messenger calls with my friends for about I think 1 hour and 30 minutes during this time. So let me show you the battery statistics, friends, how much it is. So at the moment it's 10%, friends, and I got a screen on time about 5 hours and 36 minutes. And during this time I can say I think I did video call about 1 hour and 30 minutes, because nowadays due to the lockdown most of the people are doing video calls, so I just want to give it a try. So as you can see, friends, 5 hours 36 minutes, so which is kind of little bit disappointing, I can say. So whenever I use the OnePlus 7 Pro device, I will definitely charge it to 100 and I'll go for work, because I'm not sure whether I can get through a day or not. So that is what happening with the OnePlus 7 Pro device, friends, but not with the other Realme phones or Redmi phones. So this is what I feel. The battery backup is not that good as expected, according to me, in terms of OnePlus 7 Pro device. So let me show you the statistics. So here you can see, friends, the graph as well, how it is from the beginning. I did not charge meanwhile, and if you notice here, messenger I used for about I think 1 hour and 33 minutes, friends, the messenger call alone. And even I did a 1 hour of voice calls, as you can see, friends, clearly. So 1 hour of voice calls and 1 hour of video, 1.5 hour of video calls. So friends, I can say this is a kind of medium to heavy usage, because I did a video calls for about long time. So with the loudspeaker, not with the Bluetooth connected. So you need to keep that in mind. And during the video call as well, I will be choosing to choose maybe 50 to 60% of the brightness, not with the full brightness. So you need to keep that in mind. So with the heavy usage, friends, I can say you can get close to the 10% or 20% will be remaining at the end of the day. Maybe with the medium usage, 30 to 40%, and with the normal usage maybe 60% will be remaining at the end of the day, friends. So this is the overall battery backup review of the OnePlus 7 Pro device, and every day I'll be trying one phone, friends, using the same kind of testings. So definitely stay tuned, friends, by subscribing to my channel. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.